What's happening, guys? Today's episode, let's put together the classic baler. Okay, here's what you get. Wow, TV's in there yelling. So you get what I would call the main frame, the body, the railings, wheels, and tires. Either end is sold separate, whether you want the bale side or accumulator. Really the only thing you gotta do is cut the railing out, which is pretty simple. It's 4 clips there, 1 down there, and you're ready for paint. Okay, paint is done. So then next step, I'll add the wheels and tires. Just piece of styrene rod through there to hold everything in place. Detail paint on my lift assist wheels. Blinkers and flashers in the back. Ready to snap on the body, railing, done. So after all that, you just snap on the body shell like a Lego. Sorry, guys, sinus infection's killing me. And then the railing snaps on. You got 2 mounting holes, some slots for there, slot for there, and your classic baler is complete. Catch you guys in the next one.